How to improve any moment. The title of this article is a bit misleading because every moment is already perfect and doesn't need to be improved. But our experience of the moment can be fraught with difficulty, and we have the power to create a new experience in each moment. The problems we face stem from a narrative about the moment. We are constantly interpreting things in a certain way so that we do not even notice that we have this interpretation or narrative. For example, if someone has not returned your text message, you might interpret it as a meaning that they are upset with you in some way and feel hurt. When someone asks a question, you can interpret that as a criticism for yourself and be bothered by it. When you have not done all things on your task list, you can interpret that as another sign that you are doing things wrong and feel discouraged and guilty about that. In any moment, we have a narrative about that moment, a story, an interpretation, an evaluation, and that story will determine our experience. Here is the powerful thing we can practice. We can drop the story and just experience the moment exactly as it is, and we can also create a more powerful story. Let us take each of those in turn. Experiencing the moment as is. Right now, look around. You are surrounded by air, light, sound, objects, life. This is the moment, just as it is. Now, you will immediately begin to interpret all of that and create a narrative about it. Your room may be messy. You might find the weather irritating, or that there may be tasks pending on your mind, etc. But what would it be like to just drop that story and see the moment just as it is, without interpretation? See it with your beginner's mind, with the eyes of a child seeing a cloud or tasting an orange for the first time, as if it were a completely new experience. You can practice this by going for a walk. On the walk, see if you can experience it afresh, without a narrative or evaluation, just the moment. Just experience the world directly, without the layer of interpretation. Bring curiosity to all of it. The effect of this is to drop the story that creates struggle and suffering. It gives a directness to your experience. Create a new powerful story. It is hard to go through life with no story. Once we can bring into our experience that may be helpful, even powerful. Once we have dropped our old story and just experience life directly, here are some interpretations that we found to be powerful. Wonder and awe. We can see everything around us as miracles, as wondrous and awe-inspiring. There is an appreciation for the incredible nature of life. It is the practice of loving what it is. Gratitude. Like finding awe in everything, can we be grateful for what's here in this moment, for ourselves and others? This is not just appreciating what is there, but also being grateful that you have it. Compassion. When you notice suffering in others or yourself, you can generate a wish for that suffering to come to an end, for the person to find peace and even happiness. We are all interconnected. This is an appreciation that we are not isolated, but instead, we are all supporting each other. Everything we have is surrounded by many others. Everything we do affects others and can be positive influence on others. An appreciation of this interconnection is a way that is not to be taken for granted. You might have other stories that help you, stories of empowerment, of love, of generosity. After dropping all stories and experiencing the moment directly, try these stories and see how they affect your experience. With this kind of practice, you can create beautiful experience in any moment.